No salt, no MSG, just natural spices. Welcome, this is Inside Sharon's Life. Today we're making beef and goat meat for babies and toddlers. You just need to cut them into small chunks that they can pick up with their hands and feed themselves. There's no need to add salt or MSG or Maggi. You just need to use the natural spice you already have in your kitchen. So I blended onion, ginger and garlic and added to it. Then I went away with my thyme and rosemary leaves, dried rosemary leaves. Then I added little curry because some brands actually add salt to their curry seasoning, so I just added a little. Then I went with my pepper mix, onions and peppers, just a little, not some to make it too spicy. Then I added a little bit of black pepper. After this, I went with my ground crayfish just to give it some flavor and also to introduce her to crayfish. Oh, it was soft and nice and tasty. I'm sure your toddler or your baby will love this. Will you be trying this? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.